Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore how international students, especially those from India, can effectively build their professional and social networks in Germany. Whether you're looking for internships, job opportunities, or simply trying to expand your circle, these tips will help you succeed. Let's get started. 1. Why networking is crucial. Networking is essential for students in Germany because job market. Insight. Many jobs and internships aren't advertised online. They're filled through personal connections. Professional growth. Networking helps you learn from industry experts and peers. Social integration. Building a network makes adapting to a new culture easier and more enjoyable. 2. Attend university events. Most German universities host events like career fairs. Meet potential employers and learn about job openings. Workshops and seminars. Improve your skills and meet like-minded individuals. Networking nights. Specifically designed to help students connect with professionals and alumni. Tip. Prepare an elevator pitch about yourself to make a strong first impression. 3. Join student organizations and clubs. Universities have various clubs for academic, cultural, and recreational interests. Joining these groups can help you meet people with similar interests. Improve your German language skills. Build friendships and professional connections. Tip. Look for organizations related to your field of study for career-focused networking. 4. Use online platforms. Effectively leverage technology to expand your network. LinkedIn. Optimize your profile, connect with professionals, and participate in industry-specific discussions. Xing, a platform similar to LinkedIn but popular in Germany. University portals. Many universities have online platforms for connecting students with alumni and employers. Tip. Regularly update your profile and actively engage with posts to increase visibility. 5. Learn the art of small talk. In Germany, small talk can open doors to deeper conversations. Practice discussing your field of study or career goals, cultural differences or travel experiences, current events, but avoid overly controversial topics. Tip. Don't hesitate to ask for advice or opinions. People appreciate curiosity and genuine interest. 6. Attend meetups and conferences. Germany hosts numerous industry meetups and professional conferences. These events are great for gaining insights into industry trends, meeting professionals from your desired field, discovering internship or job opportunities. Tip. Research the event beforehand and prepare questions to ask participants or speakers. 7. Volunteer for events. Volunteering at events like conferences, fairs, or community programs can help you meet organizers and attendees in an informal setting. Showcase your skills and work ethic. Gain insider access to industry professionals. Tip. Look for volunteer opportunities related to your academic or professional interests. 8. Leverage alumni networks. Most universities have alumni networks that can be invaluable for students. Use these resources to connect with alumni working in your field, seek advice on job applications and interviews, learn about company cultures and hiring practices. Tip. Attend alumni events and follow up with individuals you meet to maintain the connection. 9. Improve your German language skills. While many Germans speak English, knowing German gives you an edge in networking. Join language courses or practice through language exchange programs. Speaking with locals at events or cafes. Watching German TV shows or reading German articles. Tip. Even basic conversational German can leave a positive impression. 10. Be consistent and follow up. Networking doesn't end at meeting someone. Build long-term relationships by sending follow-up messages after meeting someone, sharing helpful articles or information related to their interests, staying in touch periodically to keep the connection alive. Tip. Personalize your messages to make them memorable and genuine. Final thoughts. Networking in Germany as an international student is all about stepping out of your comfort zone, showing genuine interest, and being proactive. By following these tips, you can build a network that supports your academic, professional, and personal growth. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and advice. Let us know your networking experiences or challenges in the comments below. Good luck and see you in the next video.